today, hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you, I decorated my other squishy, the mochi, the green tea, and I decorated the star. I added this bow because I thought it was cute. Here's the front, back. Let's give it a squish. Very, very squishy, as you could see. And I also added a smell, so guess what it is? It's a fruit. It starts with a B. Got 10 seconds. I know, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's a banana smell. I'm hungry for it. I don't want to smell it anymore before I eat it. And this does not have, sorry for the bad lighting. I mean, bad lighting. Sorry for the glare on this. So yeah, stay tuned if you guys want to stay in. Stay so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bye. Hello guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this smell on the mochi. You can use any kind of lipstick or lip balm. Well, not lipstick, I'm sorry. And any flavor. This is vanilla. I didn't get to use it, so I didn't use this one. I used the other one. It's banana smell. And it smells super good. So let's give it another squish before we leave. I said one more squish and look at it. I'm addicted to the squishy and I don't know why. It's just squishy and it smells like bananas. My favorite fruit. Okay, actually right after this, I'm gonna go get a banana. So yeah. Bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my mochi. Bye.